We're about to dive into something really juicy today.
Oh, yeah, I love it.
We're talking about the healing power of fruit.
It's fascinating.
You guys have sent in some incredible facts about how these natural wonders can boost our health. And let me tell you, you are in for some surprises.
Lots of them.
We're talking about how fruit can impact everything from your immune system and heart health
Absolutely.
to your digestion, your
Yeah.
skin,
Even your brain.
even your brain.
It's all connected.
Yeah, and that's what I love about this topic. It's like
Yeah.
there are so many amazing things that fruit does, and it's just one food group.
What's fascinating to me is that all of these benefits are so interconnected. We're not just talking about individual effects here. We're talking about a whole network of ways that fruits contribute to well-being.
Yeah, and I think a good place to start with that idea is with antioxidants.
Oh, a great place.
Our sources talk a lot about blueberries and strawberries being full of antioxidants.
They are.
But what's the big deal?
Well, think of antioxidants like these tiny little shields protecting your cells.
Okay.
Every day, our bodies are dealing with these things called free radicals.
Right.
These are unstable molecules that can damage our cells, kind of like rust on a car.
Oh,
And you know what? That cellular damage is actually a key driver of inflammation,
oh, wow.
which is linked to so many health problems.
So it's like eating those blueberries is sending in an army to fight off the rust.
That's a great way to put it, yeah.
Okay.
They neutralize those free radicals and reduce the damage they can cause. And it's not just about preventing disease either.
Right.
Reducing inflammation can improve your energy levels and even help you recover faster from workouts.
Oh, wow. So you're saying I could skip the ice bath and just eat a bunch of blueberries?
Well, I wouldn't go that far.
Okay. But there are benefits.
There definitely are.
All right. So we've got blueberries and strawberries for antioxidants.
Yes.
And our sources also talk about citrus fruits for being amazing immune boosters. But is there more to it than just drinking orange juice when you have a cold?
There's way more to it than that.
Okay.
Citrus fruits are loaded with vitamin C.
Right.
And it's not just about fighting off colds.
Right.
Vitamin C actually plays a crucial role in all sorts of bodily functions.
Like what?
From producing collagen, which keeps your skin firm and elastic, to wound healing.
Oh, wow.
It's really supporting your body's natural repair processes.
So it's like a little construction worker running around in our bodies.
I like that analogy.
Okay, so moving on, let's talk about something that's near and dear to my heart health.
Oh, yeah.
Our sources mention bananas, avocados, and apples as being particularly good for our tickers.
They are.
What makes them so heart healthy?
I think it comes down to two key players, potassium and fiber.
Okay.
Potassium is a mineral that helps regulate your blood pressure, keeping it in a healthy range.
That's so important.
It is.
And what about fiber?
Oh, fiber is amazing.
Okay.
It's like a superhero when it comes to managing cholesterol levels.
Well.
Now, there are different types of fiber.
Good.
Soluble fiber is what you find in apples and avocados.
Okay.
And this type of fiber actually binds to cholesterol in your digestive system and helps flush it out,
Oh, wow.
lowering your LDL cholesterol levels, the bad cholesterol.
So it's like a cleanup crew for your arteries.
I love it.
And since we're already talking about the digestive system,
Yes.
let's talk about the digestive benefits of fruit.
Oh, there are many.
Right. I think
Yeah.
all of us struggle with bloating sometimes, at least I do.
Oh, absolutely.
So which fruits are the best for helping with that?
Well, some fruits are like nature's digestive aids.
Okay.
Papaya, for example.
Yeah.
It contains an enzyme called papain,
Okay.
and that helps break down proteins, making it easier to digest.
So it's doing some of the work for us.
Exactly.
Awesome. And what about pineapple?
Pineapples have bromelain,
Okay.
which does the same thing, helps break down proteins.
I've heard that bromelain is also good for inflammation.
It is. Our sources mention cherries, pineapples, and oranges as being helpful for inflammation.
Interesting. So it's like these fruits have these built-in mechanisms to help us.
They really do. It's amazing.
All right. So moving on from digestion and inflammation,
Yeah.
I want to talk about how fruits can improve our skin.
Oh, yes.
Because I love that idea.
D2, it's so fascinating.
Our sources mention watermelon, mangoes, and pomegranates.
All delicious and good for you.
What makes them so good for our skin?
Well, think of these fruits as providing internal hydration and protection.
Okay.
Watermelon is incredibly hydrating,
Yeah.
and hydration is essential for plump, healthy skin.
It's like a spa day from the inside out.
Exactly.
Okay, what about the other two?
Mangoes are packed with vitamin A,
Okay.
which helps with cell turnover and can improve skin tone.
Okay.
And pomegranates,
Yeah.
they're full of antioxidants,
Right.
which protect your skin from environmental damage.
So it's like a shield against the elements.
I like it.
Okay, so we've covered skin. Now let's talk about another benefit of eating fruit weight management.
Oh, this is a good one.
Right.
Yeah,
Apples and grapefruits come to mind.
definitely.
What's the connection?
The key here is fiber.
Okay.
Both apples and grapefruits are high in fiber,
Right.
which does amazing things for weight management.
What does it do?
Well, first, it adds bulk to your diet.
Okay.
So it helps you feel full and satisfied on fewer calories.
Right.
And second, it slows down digestion,
Okay.
which prevents those blood sugar spikes and crashes that can lead to cravings.
Oh, so it's like stabilizing our energy level.
Exactly.
It's not just about cutting calories. It's about eating foods that keep you feeling satisfied and energized.
I like that.
And speaking of energy, I am constantly amazed by how nutrient-dense fruits are.
Me too.
Our sources talk about guavas, papayas, and kiwis as being particularly packed with vitamins and minerals.
They're nutritional powerhouses.
They are.
Yeah.
What's so great about them?
Well, just one guava provides more than your daily requirement of vitamin C, and it's a good source of potassium and fiber.
Okay.
Papayas are loaded with vitamin A, important for vision and immune function.
Okay.
And kiwis are rich in vitamin K, which is essential for blood clotting and bone health.
So we're talking about the whole package here.
Absolutely.
All right, let's move on to our last benefit, brain health.
This is my favorite part.
I've always heard that berries are good for your brain,
They are.
but is there any truth to that?
Oh, absolutely.
Okay.
Berries, especially blueberries and blackberries,
Yes.
are packed with antioxidants that help protect your brain cells from damage.
So it's kind of like those antioxidants are fighting off the rust in our brains too.
That's a great way to think about it.
And I know we've already talked about blueberries a lot,
Yeah.
but
They're good for a reason.
it seems like they're good for everything.
They are very versatile.
All right, so we've covered antioxidants,
Yes.
but our sources also mention that fruits like apples, oranges, and pears can help regulate blood sugar levels.
That's right.
How do they do that?
These fruits have a low glycemic index,
Okay.
which means they release sugar into your bloodstream slowly,
Okay.
preventing those energy spikes and crashes.
That's so important.
It is especially for people with diabetes or anyone who wants to maintain stable energy levels throughout the day.
So it's like these fruits are giving us sustained energy rather than that quick burst and then crash.
I like that analogy.
It's incredible how much goodness is packed into these natural wonders.
It really is.
From boosting our immune system and protecting our heart, to aiding digestion, enhancing our skin, and even sharpening our mind.
And regulating blood sugar.
Yes, and regulating blood sugar. It seems like there's no end to the amazing things fruits can do.
I agree.
But I think the most important takeaway from all of this is that
Yeah.
it's not about obsessing over individual fruits or specific claims.
No, it's not.
It's about incorporating a variety of fruits into your diet in a way that you enjoy.
Find what you like
Right.
and eat it.
And eat it.
That's the best advice I can give.